Hi, I'm Jason Taylor, Director of Sales here at Van Martin Roofing. We're headquartered out of Dayton, Ohio. I've been a part of the Van Martin family for about 13 years now. I was referred by a friend who said I would be a great fit here at Van Martin. Over the years, Van Martin has invested heavily in my growth and development as a leader and as a person, which has enabled me to assume the current role I have here as Sales Director. It is now that I look back at my growth over the years and realize that it wasn't just me being great for Van Martin, it was how great Van Martin has been for me. As Director of Sales, I'm focused on two big priorities: empowering our team. I mentor and coach our sales team, helping them sharpen their communication, understand roofing systems, and build trust-based relationships with customers. Number two, serving you better. I ensure our process is simple and straightforward, from initial contact to inspection and education, going over clear options and no pressure. My goal? To ensure each homeowner and building owner is informed, respected, and feels confident in their decision. How this helps you? We have a trust-building approach. We don't push, we don't upsell, we listen, assess, and provide the information necessary for you to make the right decision for your roof and budget. Consistent experience. From that initial phone call to the final walkthrough, I make sure that your experience is unified, respectful, and on schedule. Continuous improvement. I seek feedback from customers and crew to see how we can enhance how we present our options and ensure our services are up to date and on point. Roofing isn't just about shingles. It's financial investment, safety, and longevity. My job is to make sure that that investment is clear, supported, and aligned with my promise to you: integrity, quality, and service. So when you speak to our sales team, you're hearing from years of experience and our commitment to your satisfaction. If you want knowledgeable guidance and not gimmicky sales, then my team and I are here for you. Thanks for trusting us with one of the most important decisions you'll ever make. I'm Jason Taylor, Director of Sales, and I'm proud to be part of helping you protect what matters most.